Hi, today we will test speakers on our ULEFONE Armor 5S. Let's go to YouTube. Now let's put our volume on max and let's check it. So let's change the volume again. Let's put it somewhere in the middle. Yeah, this is the middle, I think. And let's put it back to max so you can see how loud it is. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.